Generosity of a rich man.
In the bustling city of Everland, nestled between towering skyscrapers and lively neighborhoods, there lived a man named Alexander Kingsley. Known for his vast wealth and keen business acumen, Alexander was also renowned for his unmatched generosity. His towering office building, the Kingsley Tower, dominated the city skyline, but it was his philanthropic endeavors that truly set him apart. Alexander had grown up in a modest neighborhood in Everland, witnessing firsthand the struggles of those less fortunate. Despite his humble beginnings, he possessed a sharp mind and an unwavering determination to succeed. Through hard work and dedication, Alexander built a financial empire, turning the Kingsley Corporation into a global powerhouse. As he achieved unprecedented success, Alexander never forgot the values instilled in him during his youth. He believed that wealth came with a responsibility to give back to the community that had contributed to his success. Thus, he became a beacon of hope for the people of Everland. One day, Alexander received a letter from Mayor Thompson, the leader of Everland, expressing concern about the rising homelessness in the city. The letter detailed the struggles of families living on the streets, facing the harsh realities of poverty. Touched by the mayor's words, Alexander decided it was time to address this pressing issue head-on. He called for a meeting with city officials, social workers, and community leaders to discuss a comprehensive plan to combat homelessness. Together, they devised a multifaceted approach that included building shelters, providing job training programs, and offering mental health support for those in need. Alexander didn't stop at just funding these initiatives. He actively participated in the process. He visited homeless shelters, engaging with individuals to understand their stories and challenges. This hands-on approach allowed him to gain valuable insights into the root causes of homelessness and tailor solutions to address them effectively. The Kingsley Foundation was established as a result of these efforts. It became the driving force behind numerous projects aimed at improving the lives of Everland's less fortunate. The foundation built state-of-the-art shelters equipped with essential facilities, transforming them into safe havens where individuals and families could rebuild their lives. Recognizing the importance of education, Alexander also invested heavily in programs that provided scholarships and mentorship opportunities for underprivileged youth. The Kingsley Scholarship Program empowered talented students to pursue higher education, breaking the cycle of poverty and opening doors to a brighter future. The impact of Alexander's generosity extended beyond homelessness. He took a keen interest in revitalizing neglected neighborhoods, transforming them into thriving communities. The Kingsley Urban Renewal Project breathed new life into forgotten areas, creating green spaces, affordable housing, and job opportunities for residents. As news of Alexander's philanthropic endeavors spread, other influential individuals in Everland were inspired to join the cause. Together, they formed a coalition of business leaders, philanthropists, and community activists, pooling their resources to address various social issues. The city witnessed a collaborative effort to build a more inclusive and compassionate society. In addition to addressing social issues, Alexander was passionate about environmental sustainability. The Kingsley Green Initiative aimed to reduce the corporation's carbon footprint and promote eco-friendly practices. Solar panels were installed on the Kingsley Tower, and employees were encouraged to participate in conservation efforts. One of the most impactful initiatives of the Kingsley Green Initiative was the creation of urban gardens across the city. Vacant lots and unused spaces were transformed into thriving gardens, providing fresh produce for local residents and creating a sense of community. The urban gardens not only contributed to Everland's sustainability, but also fostered a connection between residents and the environment. As the years passed, Alexander continued to invest in the well-being of Everland. He expanded the Kingsley Foundation's reach, supporting healthcare initiatives, disaster relief efforts, and cultural enrichment programs. The city flourished under his benevolent guidance, becoming a model of social responsibility for other cities around the world. One day, as Alexander was walking through one of the revitalized neighborhoods, he encountered a woman named Maria. She had once been homeless, but had found refuge in one of the Kingsley Foundation's shelters. With gratitude in her eyes, Maria shared her journey of transformation, from despair to hope, from poverty to empowerment. Her story encapsulated the essence of Alexander's vision for Everland. He realized that his wealth had the power to change lives, and through strategic and compassionate initiatives, he could create a city where everyone had the opportunity to thrive. Inspired by Maria's resilience, Alexander decided to focus on job creation programs, partnering with local businesses to provide employment opportunities for individuals who had overcome homelessness. The Kingsley Employment Initiative aimed to break down the barriers to employment faced by those with challenging pasts, fostering a sense of dignity and self-sufficiency. The success of the initiative surpassed expectations, as businesses in Everland recognized the untapped potential in hiring individuals with diverse backgrounds. The program became a testament to the transformative impact of second chances and the importance of creating inclusive workplaces. As the city continued to evolve, Alexander remained committed to leaving a lasting legacy. He established the Kingsley Center for Social Innovation, a hub for research and collaboration that aimed to address emerging societal challenges. The center became a breeding ground for innovative solutions, attracting thinkers, activists, and change-makers from around the world. The ripple effect of Alexander's generosity reached far beyond Everland. His story inspired a global movement of corporate social responsibility, encouraging businesses to align profit with purpose. Leaders in various industries looked to Alexander as a role model, realizing that financial success could coexist with a commitment to social and environmental stewardship. In recognition of his outstanding contributions, Alexander received numerous awards and honors. However, he remained humble, emphasizing that the true reward was witnessing the positive impact on the lives of individuals and the community as a whole. As Alexander Kingsley stood atop the Kingsley Tower, overlooking the city he had helped transform, he couldn't help but feel a profound sense of gratitude. Everland had become a beacon of hope, a city where compassion and progress went hand in hand. The legacy of a generous rich man had not only changed the face of a city, but had also ignited a movement that aimed to create a better world for generations to come.